Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about the Asokan rock edicts inscriptions. There are 33 inscriptions in total and primarily classified into the following. There are 14 major rock edicts, minor rock edicts found 15 places across India, but 6 are important. There are 2 separate rock edicts which also called Kalinga War edicts and 7 major pillar edicts and some other inscriptions. In this video, we will discuss about the 14 major rock edicts of Asokas. Now, major rock edicts first. Bans on animal sacrifices and on certain kinds of festive gatherings, and also reduction in killing animals for royal kitchens. And major rock edict second mentions the South Indian kingdoms such as Cholas, Pandyas, Satyaputras and Kerala Putras and deals with social welfare measures. Rock edict third gives liberty to Brahmanas, states that the Rajukas and Pradesikas were to go on tour of inspection every 5 years as part of their other duties, as well as for preaching Dhammas. And major rock edict 4 preference of Dhammaghosas, sound of peace over Bherighosas, it means sound of van drums, and impact of Dham on society. Major rock edict 5 tells the human treatment of slaves by their masters and mentions about the appointment of Dham Mahamatras. And major rock edict 6 deals with the welfare measures and kings wish to know about the condition of people. Major rock edict 7 tells about the tolerance towards all religions and sects. Major rock edict 8 mentions about Asoka's visit to Bodh Gaya and Bodhi tree and maintaining contact with rural people via Dharma Yatras. Major rock edict 9 begins with a criticism of ceremonies performed by people, especially women, on occasions such as illness, marriage, birth, and setting forth on journeys, and mentions courteous behavior towards dasas and bhatakas as part of all dhammas. Major rock edict 10 condemns the desire for fame and glory. Major rock edict 11 elaborate explanation of Dhamma. Major rock edict 12 appeals for developing tolerance towards all religious sects and refers that king expected people to exercise restraint in criticizing other sects and in praising their own. Major rock edict 13 speaks feelingly of the Kalinga War, which occurred in the 9th year after Asoka's consecration, and suggests that his event and conquest through Dhamma. Major rock edict 14 deals with the purpose of engraving inscriptions in various parts of the country.